If you've never used a skimmer for CW or an RTTY contest, or even if you're just DX chasing and looking for those new countries that you're trying to get, you may want to look at what a skimmer can do for you. I have SDC Skimmer here, which runs on a variety of different radios. I'm using it on a flex radio. I'm not going to go through the setup for this, but you need a radio that has an IQ stream or an SD card, or I'm sorry, or not an SD card, but a software-defined receiver card that maybe is listening to the IF of your radio to get a skimmer to work, because that's what's key here. And right now I'm on the RTTY contest. I'm on 15 meters. We'll have a quick peek. I've turned off my skimmer for the moment, but and again, you're going to need this on a really wide screen to watch. I've set it up for RTTY. I have a Telnet server here set up that's logged into my cluster, so it goes out to my regular DX cluster, and it connects normally. You can see those spots coming in here on, which is just a simple PuTTY connection, a Telnet connection. And you would connect to this from your logging program. In my case, it's N1MM. It's a connection to a local IP address on this port. Again, I don't want to go through the setup on this because it's well documented in the SDC connector documentation. So watch what happens here. We're set up for RTTY. I'm going to keep an eye on here, and then this is I'm going to turn on, hey, I need some multipliers, so I've got this set for multipliers, or, QSOs type of thing, mults, and let's bring that screen back, so bear with me a moment. There we go. And so here we go. We're going to turn the skimmer on right here, and I'm going to start it. You're going to see stuff happen here. It's going to happen in a hurry. You're going to see my multiplier band chart fill out, and you're going to see a bunch of spots pop up here on the Telnet server, on the DX cluster server built into the skimmer. And what the skimmer does is looking at a very wide bandwidth of spectrum, in this case about 48 kilohertz, and it's listening for or looking for all verified DX call signs, and then it'll pop it out. Rather than depending on anybody else to spot something, I now can decode what I can hear on my antenna. If it shows up here, I should be able to hear it and work it. So watch this. Okay, so we've turned the skimmer on, and it's going to start populating. Here they come. These are call signs it's heard right away on the in my passband on 15 meters here, and so these are all the call signs it's hearing who are running RTTY, how strong they are, the speed, whether they're calling SCQ or they just heard the call sign, and here it's popped up the multipliers in my N1MM multiplier window. So, these are guys I need to go work for multipliers. So we're going to move this out of the way, and then let's just show up I've added multipliers and QSOs. So the blue guys are guys I just need to work for a regular contact, but the red ones are the ones I need for mults. And you can see here again is a PuTTY window, or the Telnet window with N1MM showing what is coming in as well. The gray ones are guys I don't need to work, or they're not related in the contest. So that's the power of using a skimmer like SDC Skimmer. This is the one I use with my Flex radio and the IQ audio stream, which is available directly in the radio. If you've never used one, give it a try. It's not very expensive. There's a couple different versions. I like SDC Skimmer. I donated it to some cash to Yuri UT4LW. By the way, I saw him spotted here a few minutes ago, so he's on 15 meters, which is sort of cool. And 7-3, Mike, VI3MW.